Ay! Ay! Cookie!
I like what you did back there, Doc. You stood up for yourself. But it's not what your friend the president said.
Kuha naman na siya, Han. Taking shower naman, Han.
Your country.
Han, taking shower.
That's what you do for yourself.
See?
You know?
So, Donna,
You become handsome now.
what you do?
See?
All dressed up like that.
Taking shower, baby.
Shouldn't judge a man by his clothes.
Baby, much better, Han. You're gonna put also like this, ba? So that he can take shower, Han.
You good?
For him to look, for him, but not to be exhausted, Han, ba?
Don't tell me
The
what.
weather is windy.
Show me.
Yeah, you need to put them, to put them in the kuana, third, there ba? In the third room. Cookie! Cookie boy, love you, Cookie! Love you. What are you doing? No, no, no. No, no, no. See?
Come on, boy. Come on.